We got Isabel's Accord with them sick chrome wheels. Then we got the Civic. We got Daniel, the one and only famous Daniel.
I know. My car's not here and I'm stuck. So.
This WRX is sick, dude. You can hear the freaking turbo in the blow valve. Definitely needs more load though. Like, look at that monster truck. So we got Joe washing his car right now. And I guess what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be meeting up with Chino, who's gonna be doing like taking pictures and rollers. And of course, my Mustang. Oh, he's sleeping. He's still a little shit.
Absolutely.
Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Antoine, for those who don't know me. And today, kind of a last minute deal. Chino wanted to get some pictures of all the cars and some rollers. So that's pretty much what we're doing right now. I'm gonna go meet up with him, discuss the details, because I don't know. I'm really just going by the flow. We're gonna discuss the details, see what we're gonna do, and then probably chill after that. One thing for sure, I hope we do eat, because I just got off work. Yeah, I didn't eat until the last time I ate was like 11, and it's already like 7 something. I'm starving. Yo, why is he barking at me? Sit! No. Sit! And yeah, hopefully I don't get pulled over, because, you know, my plates. I still haven't changed them since the Paul Walker cruise. But you know what it is. Yours truly. So we came to the new gas station here in Twin. I think it is Chevron. Okay. And I guess they're moving the car because they want to remake a picture. But I got the Mustang parked right here. Chino's over here taking pictures. And he's babysitting the dog.
Oh, really? She hasn't said anything? Oh, well, she said she wants to leave soon,
But check out Joel's new wheels. Oh, they look so nice. Are you happy with your new look?
Yeah.
Shit, how much did it run you?
Like $2,000.
Yeah, you ballin'. Was that including the coilovers or not?
Yeah.
Damn.
Hold up.
Sheesh. Then his freaking exhaust sticks out, dog. Carbon fiber. Dude, this thing looks clean. Not gonna lie. I think if you went back, it'd look even cleaner. What do you guys think? Sheesh. It looks so much better.
It does, huh?
Jeez. It looks so good. My boy, you're supposed to come the other way. Tell me it's not clean. It's clean. That's crazy. They're really trying to recreate the photo. Dump the clutch. Dude, that's kind of crazy. It shows that it looks like it's white, but it's actually yellow headlights. That's crazy.
You doing lights on or off? Because everybody's got their lights on.
Then Isabel got her new grill. Sheesh, looks mean. You gonna turn on your lights?
Yeah.
I bet. Sheesh. Yeah. This thing clean.
Go grab yours and park right behind.
Don't tell me what to do, blood.
Go do it now.
Oh, okay.
Right now.
I guess they want me to move the car now. Wait. I don't see anybody. It's just dark and I'm wearing sunglasses.
They want you to move over to closer to the pump.
You don't tell me what to do either. I bet.
Today.
I guess they got me parked over here in the back. Sheesh. I guess you could say we're kind of doing some ghetto stuff. But yeah, this is the possession we're having. Which one do you guys take home? The Booster Civic? The GLI? Basically, the GLI has the same motor as the GTI. The WRX, the sound straight piped, the Accord, or the Mustang. Shit, I'm always in everybody's way.
Damn, man, don't let him talk to you like that, bro. I'm just kidding.
I don't want him to punch me in the ribs again.
This is gonna be like when we had the boxing gloves.
Yeah.
We both went to swing on each other, but we're like, we can't hit each other in the head.
We got two photographers.
Oh shit.
It's kind of funny they're going at it. I don't know. I'm just over here being a YouTuber. Let me see what you got so far.
Like you see,
Yeah.
and when Angel and Chris, when they ask me for the photos, I'm gonna send them those ones.
It's just funny.
These ones look pretty clean though.
That one's clean.
I just gotta try to get like all of them in one, you know, like in one photo. But yeah, I'm gonna go from the back.
Alright. Not gonna lie, after the Paul Walker meet, I felt like even though the Mustang was clean, it just felt like it was so stock that no one really looked at it. Like, it's clean, don't get me wrong. So all day this morning while I was at work, I've been looking at different kits that I can put on, and I kind of came up with an idea. Hopefully for next year, I'm gonna start modding the exterior. Basically, I'm gonna be adding like a new lip. Side skirts, and then I'm thinking about doing something with the rear. Just don't know yet. Then I may not buy new wheels. I might actually. There's a specific wheel that I want to get. I'm not gonna say that out loud because I just don't want someone to copy me or beat me to it. But just know, guys, starting next year, I'm gonna start after winter. Once spring kicks in, yeah, this thing's gonna be looking a little different. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get some rollers. Since it is dark, I don't think I'm gonna be recording much because the camera's not gonna pick up anything. So if I don't pick up the camera after this, I guess I'll just continue until tomorrow. Bruh, it won't let me put it into drive. No. Trying. It's not working. I turned it off. Hopefully it turns on. No. No, are you kidding me? My battery died. Oh, that's not good. Well, guys, looks like my battery died. I don't know what to do. I don't know, has this ever happened to anybody? Like, seriously? Like, it's not even reading my... Yeah, it's not. I'm like, for real, guys? It just keeps popping that up. I don't know what to do. Actually, I'm gonna look this up on Google. Give me a minute. So it says right here, if your Ford Mustang key fob dies, you can still start your car using the backup key or by holding the dead fob against the ignition button. Alrighty. Let's try that. Sheesh! I don't know how it started. Sheesh. But Angel came through, tried to help out, but apparently I didn't need help. Looks like tomorrow I'm gonna have to go to Ford and get a new key. Guys, I am so glad she started. At least I can get home, right? Yeah. Yeah, see guys? Oh, went away, but it went away. I guess it's good. I was trying to show you guys that it keeps saying that no key detected, which is crazy. I guess that's one way to do it. You just hold it next to the key fob. Anyways, I guess we're gonna go down to Maine to get some pictures, and I don't know. From there, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yo, I finally got it going. Angel. Is Isabel? She's driving the car. Go ahead. Make sure. There you go, true. Yeah. I'm so glad we finally got it running. Or at least put it into drive because we didn't want to go into drive. Finally made it home, guys. Hopefully, I do have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and hopefully she starts in the morning. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the morning.
8 hours later.
It's the next day, guys, and I finally got her on. So this is the key fob that basically died on me. This is like all my keys and everything you can see. And this is a Mustang. There you go. I got that for like $1. Anyways, I totally forgot that I had the second key fob, which it still has the tag. But yeah, I guess this is what the previous owner was using, which I just thought, you know, I'll throw this one to the side. But yeah, I totally forgot I had that key. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and head over to Twin because I have a doctor's appointment, and after that I'm gonna go to Ford to get my key fob, a new battery put in, and then for them to reconnect it, I guess you could say, which should be good. It should be cheap anyway. It's gonna be a very busy morning, dude. And then not only that, like I'm running on like maybe 6 hours of sleep, and I'm tired as well because the past 4 days I've been working 12s. Then after work I'll get off and go do something. So I really haven't had any like rest, I guess you could say, or some like me time. So anyways, we're gonna try to get stuff done today. I edit the Paul Walker meet video, and then finish up this one. I'm probably gonna edit this one too, but I'm not sure. I might just edit it tomorrow. So we'll see. So I came to Ford dealership, and I finally got my key battery changed out. So now she's working good. Kind of crazy because there was the new Ford Mustang. It's all in black. It's like over there, but I don't like it because it's convertible. I don't know what it is, but I don't like convertible vehicles. Like convertible vehicles, I think they just look ugly. Anyways, I was gonna do some other stuff, but I don't know, just because right now my phone went on SOS mode, and I think it's all of Verizon. Because I was looking on Facebook, and basically a lot of people have like similar issues, so their phone's not working, whatever. And I'm like, So if I'm gonna go eat or do something, they have to have Wi-Fi. They gotta have Wi-Fi. Damn, I'm bad. I need my phone. Anyways, guys, I don't know what else I'm gonna do. May or may not end the video here now. We'll see. Sheesh. That thing's loud. Sheesh.
My ride.
Why aren't you in school?
I'm not going to school.
You're not going to school?
Somebody overslept. So I got a passenger princess.
For sure. You have your clock right there?
Oh yeah.
Dude, I had one of those, what do you want to call them, attachments? But I can't put them in the Mustang.
Oh, like the magnet? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, this one, like the sticker, like the double-sided tape,
Yeah.
wasn't strong enough. So
You had a drill?
Yeah, but it doesn't poke through. So that's good. But I don't know if you want to drill into yours.
Alright. Sheesh. You're slow still. You're slow.
That's why you're walking, bitch.
I kept you yesterday.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I hung it out. You didn't go for it. And I kept
I was
you.
listening to my music.
Whatever.
Chilling.
You know, for this being washed just the other day, for this to already happen, it's sad.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that sucks. Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Where are you going, huh?
No.
Oh. Yo, they got me in the back seat and they got the little one in the passenger. That's messed up. How dare them? Man, this is super loud. I guess Chris took it all the way to what, Idaho Falls?
Yeah.
Just to get it tuned. And it came all the way back to the Paul Walker meet. Stayed here for like 2 days and now it's heading out today at 1, so got a couple of minutes hanging out with him, and then fortunately we're gonna have to say goodbye to him. But it won't be the last time. That sounds so good. That is insane. That is so good.
Oh yeah. Love it.
What do you have done to it?
So I'm running Cobb's next gen, or stage 2 next gen, and a Hellfire side exit, and then tuned by Gap City.
Nice. Not bad.
Yeah.
You think this thing will get me from a dig?
From a dig?
Yeah.
I think so.
Like after I showed you the video of me racing that Audi,
Yeah.
I think it was an S3. All-wheel drive.
Yeah, maybe like first through second I got you. Like Angel. But I know after that, hell no.
Angel fast.
Yeah.
I just love Subaru, guys. I think my favorite year would be like 2007.
Okay.
So like the Hawkeyes. I really love the way they look.
I was looking for a 04 or 05, but couldn't find one that was actually in good shape, so I got this, which is a 2020.
Not bad.
Yeah.
My cousin actually had the Blobeye, the 2005, I believe.
Okay.
He had that one with the bigger turbo, slightly bigger turbo. That was insane. Then when he turns it off, the turbo still goes. It takes a while for it to like shut off.
Yeah, I wish I had more turbo flutter. Like, you can kind of hear it sometimes. But
Yeah,
like
yeah.
At like 25, when there is just the back pressure,
Yeah.
you'll get a little bit of like the flutter from it. But other than that, it's not really there. And I also like the Subi rumble, but everybody goes for it. So that's why I kind of went with the side exit, so that it'd be more turbo noise.
Nice.
But
Not bad. I like it.
it gets good backfire too. I like that a lot.
Sheesh. Yeah, it's crazy how he doesn't have an exhaust. It's a side. Damn. That's insane. Sheesh. That's loud. Dude, that is insane. Yeah, that sounds good.
Popping in the back now.
I know, I can hear it. That's crazy. I like the way it sounds.
Yeah, I know.
It doesn't sound like a little fart cam. Or fart can, I think that's called.
That's what it is.
Sheesh.
Hey, you hear that?
I know, it's kind of crazy because I haven't heard Angel's exhaust until now. That thing, he got it from all the way from Florida, guys. So I don't know, it's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna do like a little cinematic video of just the cars chilling here. And then from there, we're gonna say goodbye to Chris. And I'm probably gonna end the video there. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And peace.
I wish.